Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So, congratulations, everyone! It's a really great news for all Filecoin holders to Filecoin from last 48 hours, my friend. Ago, 2 days ago, my friends, to Filecoin is starting moving upward now, and it's a really great news for all of you to Filecoin is wake up and go in the moon now. Let's see, my brothers, to what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, everything I will discuss you in this video. But kindly, holders, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, this time the max supply, sorry my friend, change across last 24 hours and change across last 7 days. The last 7 days this coin is completely fails down, but from last 24 hours this coin is starting moving upward now. I think 2 days ago, my friends, this coin is starting moving upward now. And also the last 1 hour is also, my friend, change across positive now. So it's mean to Filecoin is completely, and the profit now 56.94 USD dollar is the latest price, and I think the price is fell down from, my friend, 78 USD dollar to 56 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fail, but what we can do, my friends, this time absolutely this is reality now. So as you can see, my brother, this time the Filecoin is completely falls down from last 7 days, but my friend, 2 days ago to this coin is starting upward now, and I am so happy to see this. And absolutely definitely I will make videos especially for all new holders to understand better now, and he also invest now in this coin. So Filecoin holder, remember this is not a financial video. I just advise you please research personally before you take any decision now. Thanks for watching, Filecoin holder. I hope the future is going to be bright now, and my opinion is also going to be positive now. I hope, my friends, they will recover now. Let's see to what they do. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.